Hello everybody, Wang here and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to predict the future anytime, anywhere. Let's go. So for this trick, kailangan ko ulit ng volunteer. Kaya kinausap ko ulit yung kaibigan ko na si Bobby para tulungan ako dito sa video na to. So Bobby, I have here a deck of cards and a piece of paper. So ilalagay ko muna dito yung papel. And then I just want you to say stop whenever you like. So here, alright. So please remember that card. And tandaan niya rin. So I'm gonna lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck. No, Bobby, I want you to stare at me because I will try to read your mind. Charot. So, Bobby, kanina may nilagay akong papel dyan, right? So, sa loob ng papel na to ay may nakasulat na prediction, which happens to be the 8 of clubs. So that is the trick, and let's learn it. Okay, so in this trick, all you need is a deck of cards. Kailangan marunong ka rin magsinungaling. So, kung hindi ka marunong sinungaling, okay lang yan. Expert ka na. Tuturuan ka na. And also, kailangan mo rin pala ng papel. Kahit anong papel. Or kahit anong object na gusto mong sulatan. Or kahit dito na lang sa skin mo. And lastly, ng panulat. Para sa prediction later. Okay, so now, isusulat mo muna sa papel yung card na gusto mong i-predict. So, in this case, 8 of clubs yung sinulat ko. Kasi, wala lang. Tapos, after mo i-sulat yung prediction mo, itutupin mo na yung papel and then, you can place it anywhere or kahit kung pwede mong ipahawak sa kanya. Kaso, si Bobby, nahiya. Kaya, dito ko muna ilalagay. So, now, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is, hanapin mo yung card na sinulat mo. So, ito yung 8 of clubs. And then, ilalagay mo sa taas ng deck. And from here, ito na yung setup mo. Good to go ka na. Huwag kang magsiset up sa nila. Kailangan naka-set up na to before the trick. Before mo sila kausapin. So, now that you are ready, ang gagawin mo lang is papapiliin mo siya ng card. Pero ang dapat mapili niya is yung prediction card mo. Now, paano mo gagawin yun? Ang gagawin mo is yung tinatawag naming card force. Ganito yun. So, nasa taas yung card na i-force mo, right? So, you're gonna swing cut in this hand and then ipapatong mo yung kalahati. And then, makikip ka ng break sa gitna. Okay? For me, ang ginagawa ko, imbis na ipatong ko lang, ang ginagawa ko is, dinidribble ko yung card na ganyan. And then, nag-iwan ako ng, outjug na baraha. Now, important yan kasi dyan mo kukunin yung break gamit yung thumb mo. Now, you're here. And dito yung card nila. Now, once you have a break and your first card is in here, ang gagawin mo lang is sasabihin mo sila na say stop kahit saan sa gitna. So, riffle, and then magsasabi sila ng stop. Kunyari dito. Pansinin mo, nandito sila nag-stop. Pero, nandito yung break. See? Nandito yung break. Dito siya nag-stop pero nandito yung break. Now, here's the move. Your middle finger will gonna go here, inside, as if na kukunin mo yung pack. But when you grab it, your thumb will gonna grab the break. Then, iangat mo na. And then, ito na yung first card mo. So, once again, riffle, and then your middle finger, and then your thumb will gonna grab the break, and then voila! So, kailangan smooth and mabilis yung galaw mo. Kasi, if you're smooth enough, hindi lang mahalata yung break. So, here, and then your middle finger, and then, yan. So, from here, pag nakita na nila yung baraha, pag na-memorize na nila, ilalagay mo lang sa deck, and then, you can do shuffle or cuts or whatever you like. Hindi na importante yon kasi, ilalapag mo na itong baraha sa tabi or ibubulsa mo na lang. So, from here, ang gagawin mo lang is, ipo-point out mo yung prediction paper na nasa tabi nila or kahit nasaan mo nilagay. And then, ang gagawin mo na lang is bubuklatin and then say whatever you like. Do a pot or whatever. And then, pakita mo na lang. And then, tada! So, at this point, you're completely clean and the trick is done. And so, baka tumahal na naman yung mga manok dito. So, that's it for me. Alright guys, that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. I hope you learn something. Itong tinuro ko sa inyo kanina is very, very strong. Lalo na yung card first na tinuro ko sa inyo kanina. So, don't take this lightly. Now, what you do with the card first is completely up to you. Pwede mong basahin yung isip nila. Or you can make a prediction with a piece of paper. Or you can order a pizza or a cake. Tapos ipadrawing mo dun yung prediction mo. It's completely up to you. So right now I'm medyo pagod, so diretso tulog na ako after this. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and marami pa akong videos na paparating, kaya hit the subscribe button for Bobby and hit that like button right there, and also comment down below kung may request kayo or suggestion. So I'm Wang again with my partner Bobby, wishing you good night.